Namaste and welcome to this 5-minute mindful break. Let us begin by gently closing the eyes and sitting upright in a comfortable posture. Check that you're not wearing a belt or anything tight. Take a slow, deep breath in and breathe out completely. Become aware of the body and relax the areas which seem tight or tense, softening the facial muscles, eyebrow center, jaws, relaxing the neck, shoulders, arms, chest, and the abdomen. With awareness at the abdomen, begin to observe your natural breath. Feel the subtle expansion and contraction as you breathe in and out. Observing the rhythm of your natural and spontaneous breath. Now begin to deepen the inhalation and lengthen the exhalation. Slow and deep inhalation, slow and longer exhalation. As you breathe in, feel the abdomen rise and the chest expand. As you breathe out, feel the chest relax, followed by the abdomen. Now including count for the duration of breath, breathing in 1, 2, 3, 4, breathing out 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe in 1, 2, 3, 4. Breathe out 1, 2, 3, 4. Continue the next few rounds on your own, breathing in to a count of 4 and breathing out to a count of 4. Now return to natural breath and bring the awareness back to the body. Notice how you feel at this moment, physically and mentally. Blink open the eyes with a gentle smile. Welcome back. Being mindful of the breath is a great way to be present and also energize ourselves. Enjoy the rest of your day. Hari Om Tat Sat.